Have you ever wondered about the life that thrives beneath the surface of our vast oceans, unseen to the eye, yet crucial to our existence? This story is about the invisible universe of microscopic creatures we call planktons, named after the Greek word planktos, meaning wanderer or drifter. They don't swim but drift with the ocean currents and come in a wide range of shapes and sizes. Some planktons light up the ocean with their luminescence, while others contribute significantly to the world's oxygen production. They are, in essence, the lifeblood of the oceans and the base of the marine food chain. Planktons are categorized into two main types, phytoplankton and zooplankton. Phytoplanktons, the aquatic counterpart of terrestrial plants, photosynthesize and convert sunlight into energy, producing oxygen and serving as a primary food source for many marine animals. Zooplanktons, tiny animal-like entities, feed on phytoplankton and become food for larger marine creatures themselves. This intricate exchange is a vibrant dance of life, occurring beneath the ocean surface. Understanding their life cycle, their role in oxygen production, and threats they face from climate change is crucial. The health of our oceans and the survival of our planet are closely tied to the fate of these tiny yet mighty beings. As small as they may be, planktons play a giant role in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. Planktons, despite their tiny size, have an intriguing and complex life cycle. The life of these microscopic marvels begins as larvae, adrift in the expansive sea. Their adult form, familiar to us, is a crucial part of the marine ecosystem's balance. So, happens during this fascinating life cycle? Plankton larvae are released into the water by parent organisms. They are at the mercy of the ocean currents, carried to various oceanic regions, often far their roots. As part of their growth, the larvae shed their skin or molt, gradually assuming the shape of adult planktons. This metamorphosis is about survival as much as growth. Each molt brings them nearer to their final form, preparing them for life in the ocean's harsh environment. Now, we'll touch on the two main types of planktons, phytoplankton and zooplankton. Phytoplankton, the plant-like planktons, are the primary producers in the marine food chain. They harness the sun's energy through photosynthesis, providing food for themselves and other marine creatures. Zooplankton, the animal-like planktons, bridge the gap between primary producers and larger predators in the food chain. Each plankton type plays its role in maintaining the marine ecosystem. Planktons also play a significant role in the ocean's carbon cycle, helping to regulate the planet's climate. Just like any other organism, planktons go through a fascinating journey from birth to death, each stage playing a vital role in the marine ecosystem. Understanding the plankton's life cycle shows us the intricate interconnectedness of life on our planet. Did you know that every second breath you take comes from planktons? That's right. Planktons, particularly phytoplanktons, are the unsung heroes of our planet. These microscopic plants float in the sunlit surface of the oceans, converting sunlight, water and carbon dioxide into oxygen through photosynthesis. This process allows them to grow and reproduce, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. Surprisingly, despite their tiny size, phytoplankton collectively generate about 50% of the world's oxygen, matching the output of all rainforests and land plants combined. So every deep breath you take, you owe to these little oxygen factories. But it's not just about oxygen. Planktons form the base of the marine food chain, feeding a wide array of marine species. From tiny shrimp to the immense blue whale, many ocean dwellers rely directly or indirectly on planktons. When planktons are eaten, their energy and nutrients move up the food chain, ultimately reaching top predators, including us. Planktons also help regulate Earth's climate. They absorb carbon dioxide, and when they die, they sink to the ocean floor, taking the absorbed carbon with them. This process, known as the biological pump, is vital in mitigating global warming. In conclusion, planktons might be small, but their impact is massive. They are the lungs of our planet, the base of the marine food chain, and a crucial player in climate regulation. Without these tiny organisms, life as we know it could cease to exist. However, these vital organisms are under threat, and the consequences could be catastrophic. The planet's ecosystems are disturbed by rising temperatures from climate change. significantly affecting plankton populations. Plankton's crucial marine ecosystems thrive under specific conditions. As global warming shifts these conditions, the distribution and abundance of planktons are disturbed. In some instances, warmer waters trigger excessive plankton blooming, leading to toxic algal blooms, which can cause mass die-offs of marine life. Conversely, in colder regions like the poles, rising temperatures are reducing or eliminating plankton populations. The loss of planktons from these areas has a domino effect, as planktons are essential in the marine food chain, nourishing creatures from krill to whales. Without planktons, the marine food chain could collapse, threatening biodiversity and human communities reliant on fishing. Moreover, plankton's role extends beyond the sea. They assist in climate regulation by absorbing atmospheric carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. Their absence could make Earth hotter and less hospitable. The future of planktons, and thus our planet, is precarious. It is up to us to ensure their survival. By acting against climate change, we can safeguard these small yet vital organisms, preserving our oceans and our planet's health. So, what have we learned about these tiny, powerful organisms? Let's delve into the fascinating world of planktons, microscopic that, despite their small stature, significantly contribute to the marine ecosystem. Often overlooked, they serve as the foundation of the food chain, providing nourishment to a plethora of larger aquatic creatures, from tiny shrimp to gigantic whales. A closer examination of their life cycle reveals a captivating narrative. From their inception to their inevitable demise, the journey of these minuscule beings is a tale replete with intrigue and necessity. Each stage of their life is an essential component in maintaining the delicate balance of our marine ecosystem. Undoubtedly, one of the most crucial functions of planktons is their role as oxygen producers. These diminutive beings surprisingly contribute to over half of the world's oxygen supply, an astounding statistic considering their size. They help sustain life on Earth, not only underwater but also for land-dwelling organisms like us. Unfortunately, these marine linchpins are under considerable threat due to human actions. The escalating temperatures resulting from climate change are jeopardizing their survival and, consequently, the equilibrium of our planet. For these tiny organisms are nature's warriors, silently combating climate change, a testament to the old adage, big things come in small packages. The survival of these microorganisms is not just crucial for maintaining biodiversity in our oceans, but also for the very survival of our. The time is ripe for us to acknowledge their significance and ramp up our efforts to safeguard them. By doing so, we are not merely preserving marine life, but also ensuring the continuation of our species. Remember, the survival of planktons is critical for our planet. After all, by safeguarding these tiny powerhouses, we're not just preserving marine life, but also ensuring our own survival.
Thank you for joining us in discovering these nature's warriors crucial to climate regulation and maintaining the intricate balance in the food chain that impacts all of us. Next time you see blue flashes in the sea, remember it is the planktons that give the beautiful glow to the water.